I'm Abby Nichols, I'm 20 and I'm from Cardiff, and I'm doing the production apprenticeship working in the costume department in Casualty. I've just come from working in retail. I've worked in retail for the past 3 years. I was a visual merchandiser, so I was working a lot with how the store looked, the appearance of the store, dressing mannequins. So I've had a lot of transferable skills with working with people and obviously working with different items of clothing, where I've been able to apply that to the costume department. So I've actually found the apprenticeship on BBC Get In on the Instagram page, and I've always been passionate about working in the industry, so when I saw that opportunity I was desperate to get involved and apply for it, so really fortunate to have got it. I've been actually really involved with the production of Casualty. My first day I was actually filming a really exciting episode ready for Christmas, and I've been on set, but I've also been in the prep room behind the scenes working on alterations for scrubs and costumes for actors and essays. I've been preparing costumes for other exciting episodes entailing like health and safety regulations, ready for like fire scene that we've had. Yeah, I've also been on the costume truck, preparing it ready for them to go out on locations, but I've actually been really heavily involved for my first 3 weeks, so again, really fortunate for that. I'm really excited, to be honest, because it's helpful to be able to take what you've learned on the job and obviously on our placement, and then apply that knowledge and be able to reflect on what we've actually learned. So I'm excited to be able to take what I've learned and, you know, evaluate it and sit down and look at the skills that I've managed to develop through the apprenticeship. So hopefully I'll still be working within the industry. I've loved, say, Casualty and working on the set so far, so I'd really thoroughly enjoy to stay with that production, but you never know what the door might open up. I do like the look of, obviously I love being part of costume, but I also am really interested in the other departments I've seen, especially like assistant directors and things like that, like, and being a runner on set. Like, I think it's really interesting how much like they're involved with the entire filming process, but say I am really enjoying costume and I'd love to just pursue that if possible.